8:03 in the morning, Sunday, June the 16th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. You can see the nopales here, the prickly pear cactus. They're really tall. See the tunas right there, the prickly pear fruit. Bird already went into that one. Let me wait for these folks here to morning. Morning. I'll be here a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go to breakfast. I'm not gonna go to the Alicia's today. I'll go to Sam's Club. Very muddy here. It's not normally muddy here. Oh, look at the turtle. This is red-eared spider. It saw me. No, it saw me when I let her be. If there was a tortoise, it wouldn't be going back to water. I'm just gonna let her be, so that way she can go back. I must have released water here because you can see the erosion. I tried to let that slider just be on her way. There's no wind in here. It is so humid. I'm not gonna say hot because it's warm. It's early in the morning, and no need for me to travel that way. There's a lot of birds. I'm hoping that with this hopefully upcoming rains and we have all these little, oh, it's got minnow there. Well, I don't know if it's minnow or not. That might be pollywogs. I'm hoping that there'll be a good 6 inches of rain that we get out of this. So all these little pockets of water, of ponds, fill up. Look at all the duckweed or algae. It's a damn cat. Not good to see cats here in the park. Wonder why there's so much water everywhere. And I made it to the parking lot, so this is the end